I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I want a nap. I'm so excited, look at the pipe beat. What is up, everybody? I just pulled up to the gym. Today is the official first day of week 2 of 75 hard. We're freaking doing it. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, I want a nap. I did do my in-body this morning. I just wanted to make sure that I had my results. So we'll go over those later. I just need to get my butt in and actually start working out, because I know once I do, I'm gonna wanna work out and it's gonna feel great. We're doing glutes and hammies again.
What you mean? Folks here in projects. You mean black folks everywhere.
It is day 9. Yesterday I said it was day 7. Wow, the lighting's rough, man. You got this? There we go. It is day 9 of the 75 Hard Challenge. I just got to the gym. I already knocked out my cardio today, and we're gonna follow the exact program that I normally do. And after that, we're gonna tan, and we're gonna go to Walmart to pick up some stuff, because we're gonna do a little glow up before I go on a little vacation trip. And let me go sit down for a bit. Okay, we're back home. I'm starving, so I'm gonna make some pumpkin protein pancakes, some eggs, and then eat that for breakfast. Elijah, do you want anything? Do you want some eggs? No. Do you want some pumpkin pancakes? No. So we've got a lot that we need to take care of today, because tomorrow I'm gonna be going on a little trip. Gotta make sure the house is clean, gotta make sure that I have a YouTube video scheduled to upload Saturday. Gotta hit the gym twice because we're doing 75 hard, obviously. That's what this whole video is. A little stressed. Okay, breakfast is done. Let me show you what I'm having, because I made like a decently sized breakfast because I'm starving. Okay, this is the breakfast. We have pumpkin protein pancakes. We've got egg whites, turkey, and then 1 normal egg and some onion. Bro, these are so good. I'm gonna put some salsa with it, and then this is my breakfast. This will probably last me for like 4 hours, and I'll probably have a protein shake to kind of supplement how much protein I need to eat. I have been aiming to eat about 150 to 167 grams of protein every day, and I've been hitting about 155, so we're not doing too bad, but that's the goal. So I'm going to sit down, eat this. I'm probably gonna grab a protein shake to pair with it and just protein load in the morning. That way that's done. We're watching The Hulk. Elijah's super excited about it.
First Oregon trip ever. Here we go. Excited? You?
I'm excited.
Love it. Yes, thank you.
We made it to the secret beach. That's Daniel over there on a rock. I don't know what he's doing. there somewhere. I'm chilling like right here because honestly I don't want to be out here when the high tide comes, so that's fun. That's just my irrational fear of the ocean, but it's okay. This is the view from the beach down here. The sun's super, super bright, super pretty though. You can see the waves. It's like, it's really, really cool. Honestly, it's a gorgeous beach, and it's called Secret Beach in Oregon. So check it out if you're around that area. It's like, I want to say like a quarter to halfway up the coastline of Oregon from California. So yeah.
We're out here in Tokiti Falls, Oregon, and let me tell you, it was like 2 hours and 30 minutes in the forest. Okay, we are deep in here, but it is stunning, it is beautiful, and yeah, I can't wait to get in there and really see what all the hype's about. As you know, we only take you on the best adventures, so this one I'm excited for. Love you guys, keep you posted.
We're going on a hike. We're going on a hike. I'm so excited. Look at the pipe behind us. It's so pretty. Wow, that lighting. Okay. Dang. All right. Golden hour.
You're like, whatever you do, don't touch the moss on the trees. It's super poison. Probably because of all the moisture, it just couldn't hold on anymore. Oh, look at the spider web. Bro, can you get a good picture of that? Oh, bro, that's like picturesque spider web right there.
I've been stopping like every 2 minutes on the trail just taking pictures randomly as we're going. I lost Daniel. I don't know where he went. I think he headed to the waterfall. It's so pretty. It's kind of like a rainforest out here, honestly. You can hear the water. It's pretty nuts. How can you freaking beat this, bro? This is honestly, even after doing like a bunch of things in Zion, this is probably one of the prettiest hikes and walks we've ever done. Like the trees, the water, peaceful, relaxing, honestly. We're here. Daniel's way over there. He's posing. He went over close to the falls. We made it to the falls. It's beautiful. Look at that. We hiked down some gnarly shit, so I'll ask Daniel to get a video of me climbing up it when we go back. But yo, it's so pretty. Like, it's gorgeous. We're deep in this bitch. Like, we need to go up there. We have to climb through there. Do all that stuff. So that'll be fun when it happens. Beautiful, beautiful shot. So I'm gonna get some pictures, and then yeah, I'll catch up with you in just a little bit. Okay, you guys, I'm just finishing up week 2's vlog, so I hope you guys liked it. We went on a little trip at the end of the week, just got back, so yeah, I'll see you guys in week 3.